Hi guys, after the pandemic is over, but till now most of the professions are converted to the virtual platform. So in these particular cases, tutoring is also a most vital field which is turned into totally virtual platform. So online study is nowadays a top of the trend, and that is run a good way in through the virtual platform. There are lots of sites or websites, you may say, have published their qualifications, published their quantity of tutor recruitment, and also they also ask all of the tutors to improve their skills. Study.com is also such type of online tutoring site where you can apply here as a tutor and you can communicate with your students, learn the subject, and then earn a good amount of income. So today I am here for describing an opportunity which is published from the study.com. Study.com is one type of good platform or good website where virtual tutoring methods is also continuing, and you have to apply here to communicate with students, to share your skills and your knowledge with them and help the students to earn a good marks in their exam. So basically today I am here to telling a job notifications, that means the earning method or earning strategies. This is also work from home and a flexible job. Hi, this is Udita. You are watching Udita's Classroom. If you newcomer in my channel, consider subscribe my channel because I am going to share some informative videos related earning method and writing tips and tricks where you may find out some strategies which is improved your blogging, freelancing and content writing career. Before going to start today's episode, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel, click the bell icon so that you never miss the updates from Udita's Classroom. Basically, before going to apply, you have to determine that you are interested to work in this field or not. And before going to that, you have to search some about section of this particular website. So in that case, about study.com, our goal is to make the education accessible by providing fun, engaging video lessons and other learning resources for the students, teachers and parents. Today, over 30 million students use study.com every month to achieve their educational and academic goals. So basically, this study.com may provide some video, provide some tutoring methods where student and teacher communicate with each other. They also conduct a parent-teacher meeting, that means PTA meetings, and also all the things are happened in a fun category, so that students may be the successful. Now come here about the teacher, what should be, you have to be the apply here. So basically you will be here as a high school math skill practice question writer. You should be choosing from a large list of high school math topic and problem types, creating 30 practice problems specific to granular math topics, and creating a viable alternative answer choice for the practice problem. In these particular points, that considering some points what you will receive here, like flexibility. This is a flexible time job because you have to find out your spare timings and do your tutoring process through the virtual platform. And this is work from home, that is the best option for you, I think. And here you will receive your income, that means your salary, in twice in a month. That means it should be within 15 days the first term, and after 15 days the second part you will receive through the PayPal account. So you have to make a PayPal account for sure. And next one is support, that is access to the incredible supportive in-house team to answer your eligibility criteria. According to this criteria, they must search those persons who have the interest to solve any type of mathematical answers, mathematical critical topics and algebra, geometry, trigonometry in school level. That means I think this is standard 6th to 10th or 12th. Okay, bachelor degree or higher in the mathematics, that means BSc in mathematics or MSc in mathematics are apply for this particular job, are applicable for this job. Teaching or tutoring experience in high school math or subject is preferred but not required. And one thing is that if you are interested, then you have to check the review, and the review is I think this is not up to the high mark, but not too poor. But you may continue with this website. This is my opinion, because here you can see the review section of this study.com. Okay, now here you have to go to check the link which I will mention in my description box, and you also follow the screenshot where you can find out the apply now, and click here and upload your resume, the fully resume and effectively. And if you want to know that how to make resume for online job, this is online any type of freelancing job, then let me comment in my comment section below. I will definitely make the separate video for the separate next episode. So this is for today, guys. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. Those persons who are aiming for work from home job, some housewife who have the knowledge but they do not find the right platform, but this platform is for you guys. So, and this is also for any college students who are continuing their graduate and also postgraduate. So this is for today, guys. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. If you like this type of content, then like, share and subscribe my channel. Be the part of Udita's Classroom, and let me comment in my comment section below what type of video do you want to see in the next. So today up to this, and hopefully I will come with next day with another informative type video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thanks for watching, guys.